would even say it.
Good morning, guys. What's up? So my sister is still sleeping, so that's why I'm kind of whispering. So I hope you guys are hearing me. But hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead, subscribe. I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So yes, guys. So it's just a kind of chill Sunday in my life vlog. So welcome to another Vlogmas video. So.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
Anyways, guys, hey guys, so I was telling you guys this morning that Shan was still sleeping, so I didn't want to wake her, but she's up now, so I just made the bed. Then I'm gonna sweep the room. So yeah, this is Sky, guys, and she's cute. Bye, Sky. How are you, Sky? What's happened? What's happened? All right. What's happened? There. Oh my, what's wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong, baby? What is wrong? Ah, you love that, don't you? Guys, I'm just looking at a little so we can talk to him. I'm at church at the moment, online. So yeah.
Oh,
Okay, so I pull up my ear because we're going on the road right now. So yeah, we're gonna go into Mandeville for a bit.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
I like that one. Yeah, sure. Is it? Oh, shut. This is so cute. It looks like a tiny home. I don't know, but it's cute. What if you find your niece? Minnie? Your niece is gonna be a dog. Girl, I want a dog. Oh yes, I want a boy. I don't want to have no puppy. This is cute. Can I look for the price? $100? When it comes with the chair, it's fine. 118. 118,000. But this is outdoor or something. This is outdoor table.
You can't buy for us. You don't want to.
But this is. It could actually.
You can't.
It could. Is it? No, the reason why I was kind of is this. Because you have the in between parts.
This is how we do the put that.
Yeah, that's good. That's fine. 118. It's a funny video anyway, so that's fine. My girl needs to come on. These are cute. Which one? But they're kind of expensive. Why would I know? 11,000. Why are those so expensive? I don't know. I can't look for a fake plant. I can't look for fake plants. Are these my love? The succulents, but these kind of look faker than. No, these look fake. Fake. I have some that actually look real. This is $191, but you have some that actually look realish. Yeah, but you have the one that look real. They don't look well fake, they look well plastic. Till when you look on the internet, you know it's a fake plant. Like all them here, they look real-ish. They look real. But the other one, it just look extra fake. But this way I go in and look again.
you look shabby here. That's what makes me later.
You realize if no one looks shabby too, you can't come in.
You forgot. Look like you're not remember. Right. Sorry. Just a second. But yes, we'll come to Fontana on a Sunday. Can't be nothing but don't you look for that Sunday at all. I don't know never. Look for man. You tell you I'm not vlogging, Shani. You tell I'm not vlogging. You don't see me vlogging. You don't see me vlogging. Stop. Right, there's a Fontana. So cute. See some more stuff. Pepper Pig.
I've been wanting something for me. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something for me. You been giving nothing.
So this one is really, really cute, but well, this one kind of have, you know, something already, but yeah. And I want one of these guys, but like $500 for one of these? I'm not sure. I might wait until I'm buying. Let's see if it's cheaper on the road, because Fontana is kind of expensive. Oh shoot, the garlands I've been looking for, but these are 10,000. I want to see they're nice and fun. I don't remember. But it wasn't a lot that I bought at the time. So I'm gonna put off that even never saw there. But yeah, these are some really nice decor. They're cute. Ooh, this trumpet though. $350. These are nice. These are really nice. No, this girl walked right in front of my
I've been wanting something for me. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something for me. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I'm just coming on to end because I was actually editing the video and realized I did not end the video. So thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and to leave a comment. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.